What you need to make soft serve is a 1.5 kilogram bag of Frosty Boy Australia soft serve powder, a food-grade mixing bucket, a wire whisk, clean drinking water. All utensils must not be used to prepare or store other food products. Firstly, pour 3.5 litres of cool, clean drinking water into a food-grade mixing bucket or other mixing containers suitable for preparing food into the water while mixing with a wire whisk. Keep mixing with a wire whisk for 30 seconds or until all powder is dissolved. The mixture needs to stand for 10 minutes to allow the product to properly hydrate. Whisk vigorously again for 30 seconds to ensure the hydrated product is mixed thoroughly.